Fuck's sake!
If we start braking after that, the only thing that we spoke about before.
Yeah, I'm a bit sad. My X3M looks like it's been fucking nicked. Fucking, who gives a fuck, mate? Just chat bare shit, does no fucking work. I feel sad looking at this like this. I ain't gonna lie.
Rear axle differential lock restricted. That don't sound healthy, does it?
Man can't do it like DRIVADAVE. Cebu like still blow that chase. X3M got stupid brake. Big whip, wake up the whole estate. Real wheel drive is spinning it mad. Giving out gases, dinner it man. Do it on road or spin it on tracks. Man can't do it like us, that's cap.
We're gonna go down now to the X3M and we're gonna start putting that back together because, you know, it's been off the road for a bit. It's about time. Obviously summer's approaching. All the track days are approaching, you know what I mean? So it's about time I bring the X3M out and start sending it on. So I've been having a lot of problems with my diff on the back. Now, I know a lot of people have this problem with these X3Ms, like the building quality is a bit shit with the subframe and the diff, the way that it all goes on, like they move about a lot and they come loose. And my problem with mine is it just feels like the back end's gonna fall off every time you launch the car. So the engine's singing the best it's ever sung though. So yeah, so we're heading down to Trackworks right now and we're gonna get it cracking. So yeah, we're at Trackworks. I've decided to start pulling the wrap off myself. Yeah, I'm a bit sad. But my diff has been built and we are building it today and it is going to be driving. I don't care if it's got no bumpers, doors, wings, whatever on it. We are going to be fucking cutting through in this car today. So, okay, so the reason that nobody's seen this car that much is because it just ain't been safe to drive. Like, every time I've pulled it out, it feels like the back subframe is just doing the wiggle. The power's great, fucking wrench just turned it right up, but now it's got too much power for the diff and for the subframe. So I've had to get Trackworks. Richie here, my mate, you know what I mean? This is my brother Richard, you know what I mean? He's a good lad. But yeah, I've had to get him to rebuild my diff for me anyway. So he's rebuilt my diff now with some uprated bits. So hopefully it should be able to take the kicking that we're giving it. We're gonna put the diff on, it should be moving today. We're gonna try and strengthen that back brace and put, tap a bigger thread for that bolt. And you got the bolt, yeah?
Yeah, just go with the biggest bolt you can get in that back subframe now.
And just make it, try and hold it, innit?
The only thing, like I say, and if you start braking after that, the only thing like we spoke about before is like a diff from the States and like it's just a whole heap. What they're doing is they're using like a bulldog, like we're using a drift car, like a Winter's quick change, something like that, and a custom frame and that, but like
that's big copper work.
Oh, yeah.
But this is what I'm saying, yeah. You see this X3M, it's just always one thing after another. Like, I'll have it fixed and it just breaks.
But the not designed for running for this. Yeah. They're not built for that, are they?
I know, but even still, do you know what I mean? Like, fucking hell, you see X3Ms on the road running power. Like, why is my one so cursed?
Because of that.
You know what I mean?
Because of this.
What, this right foot here?
Right foot.
That one there. There's a couple of little bits of wrap that just don't want to come off.
And your OCD's not?
No, my OCD's not OCDing right now because if it was, I would have just ripped that carbon fibre lip off with my bare hands like the Incredible Hulk. And I would have got this bit off here that fucking, you know what I'm saying? Fuck's sake! Now, even look at the wheels and that, man, like the shittest refurb job that you could get done. Like, I need to get them done properly, man.
What's the refurb company called that did the shit job?
You know what it is, yeah? I'll be honest. He's one of the lads, so I let him off. He done a shit job, though. He must know. Surely he knows. I mean, he must fucking know. You know what I'm saying? He must fucking know, like, you know what I mean? Like, he knows. Because he knows. I know a lot of you lot as well have seen that we've been making mad bread and doing mad stuff. Like, yo, if you lot want in on it, scan the QR code on the screen right now, yeah? It'll bring you to our free community and you can see it for yourself without even joining it. So you just join the community, you can see what we're doing, you can see all the people that are making profit with us. You can make your own judgment that way, you know what I mean? Like, a lot of people will say, oh, is it a scam? Is it this? Is it that? Go onto our free community, look for yourself, try it out, and then knock it if you don't like it, you know what I'm saying? I doubt you're gonna not like it, to be honest. Everybody in there's making bread. Richard, reveal the diff!
What, so it just looks like a fucking...
Ready? Ready? Ta-da! Yeah.
So what's it look like, Bill?
It looks like the same as when we took it out, but it's been rebuilt on the inside. I feel sad looking at this like this. I ain't gonna lie. I hope my mate Taha can just bring this back to life for me, man. Because I tell you what, like, this here is a bad time. Hello, booby. We need bigger bolts in that for a fact. This is the one thing that I've always stood by, and no one listens to me. And every time I get my car on the ramp, tighten it, and it drives the way it was when it was meant to.
The problem. Then cutting the front off that, making some plates that weld in there with some big bolts like.
So let's do it then.
Have you got welder here now?
Yam's got all the gear for it.
It's now 9:30 on the night, and we're fucking heavy. Got Big Rich here. Pump it up, go on Rich.
Oh, pump it up.
Yeah. Get active.
We just tried to reinforce the diff housing up there. Obviously it's not finished, so I don't know.
I won't show it. I won't show it.
This is testing. No, we can show it. This is testing. You get
The
me? So,
idea is, when it comes with a brace on,
so basically,
No, not you, because
why
you're not
you
the
asking me,
professional.
you dickhead, bro. I am a
You're not
professional.
technical. You don't know what the fuck you're
You ain't
doing.
tech. I know tech.
Go on then. So what have we done here?
Okay, so do you want to know the tech?
Go on then.
So we've cut squares out of here, yeah. Look,
And what's that achieved?
so we can put bigger bolts through here, and we can put nuts on the end, so we can secure the brace and the diff properly.
And how was it prior to that?
Fucking shit.
What? How does it come from the factory?
It comes without them holes in, and it comes with smaller holes than this.
it's on there at all.
There's no brace from factory. Like,
Wait, bruv, you're a... I can't see.
no, there's no, you're a dickhead, you know. I swear to God. They come with this hole in it, this bush here. It's
Yeah.
shit, to be honest, you know what I mean? So normally, when you're running quite high power, you add an external
let's
fucking...
be honest, it's not
brace.
shit, because it's a fucking BMW SUV four-wheel drive that's like 450 horsepower for your family to go shopping. If you leave them stock, they're sweet, they're never going to break, but as soon as you start putting them in rear-wheel drive mode and starts doing
You
them...
could just
Like
start
you.
fucking them up.
Yeah. You fuck the whole scene up, everybody wants to be DRIVADAVE.
I'll be honest though, yeah.
And no one's got no diffs left.
Imagine enjoying the day when
And it's all your
works.
fault.
There's two more over there, there's one next door.
BMW, you should be
No,
on
but alright
BMW
then.
payroll.
Alright then, Yam. So tell them, yeah, how many diffs have I bought for this car?
4,
In the last how long?
2 weeks.
Alright then.
And everybody's like, yeah, I've got the best diff, mate. It's
Best diff
that
in the world,
mine,
mate. 10k miles.
mine, and
Bollocks,
take
mate.
them apart and I've got about 100,000. Yeah, nice one, lads.
Thanks for the desert run diff. Know what I mean? Thanks a lot.
It's because these are electric diffs, isn't it?
Yeah, the clutch.
They're no good, really, are they?
No, but you know what as well though? Even a wire like this could cause that problem. Like you do have to remember that they are electric diffs. So
Is it-
anything could really fuck it.
Is there not just an LSD swap that you can just like
Not
a?
for that housing,
Can
not
you?
that- not that
Do we have to
far.
code the diff into this?
Nah, not
Are
that.
you sure with the machine? Because you know what?
Well, I will.
When we did it last time, I'm sure that
Still got
once we
your-
coded
We had to
it run
reset the
better.
car and then it run better again. Like calibration.
Yeah, calibration.
Yeah, calibration. You get me? See, I know what I'm talking about, son. You're dealing with a real mechanic here. You know what I mean?
You're a prick, you know.
These geezers
Mate, this is
are-
my X3M. I've had this car apart and put back together more times than anything I've ever owned in my whole life.
Stood there and watched me was heavy as well.
No, I have took this apart. How am I diagnosing my own fault then? You have drilled holes and done shit today because I'm the one that's told you.
Spent about 15 grand up to now on back diffs and bolts.
But I'm on about the back end feeling like it's fucking...
Yeah, no, it does.
Been to the boozer and had a few tops. Let me just show you something now. Look, today I've earned £10,446 on a Monday, looking at the views. Yo, all thanks to Switzy. Like, Switzy,
Easy.
tell all the fans in this video now how they can go about start earning money with us.
It's easy, like we have a free community, like we're not charging for a course, a mentorship, like none of this bullshit. Everything we do is purely and entirely free, you know. So in case you guys want to learn how to make money from your phone, it's very simple. Just scan the QR code right here and we're gonna show you the exact path. And I think you can even put some testimonials, like people who have like 9-5 jobs are just killing it.
So that's in English, yeah? I'm gonna tell you in English now, yeah? Because you know Switzy's got a twang. You know what I'm saying? If you just want to start joining our community and start making money with us, there's a QR code on the screen right now. Scan it, check it out. You don't have to join it, check it out. It's a free community. Go in there, see what's going on, see all the people that are making money with us. And if it's for you, click that link and start getting paid with us. Let's fucking go, you bastards. We're back on the X3M. Today we're going to have some movement. She's going to the body shop today. Let's see if it works first though. We've replaced the diff.
we're about to do some shit. Fingers crossed. She's back in action today. What's the matter? Why'd you look so tired and upset today?
It's just stressed, isn't it?
All right.
Fucking noise.
All right, we'll take that stress somewhere else because it's not welcome in here. You know what I mean? Feeling sad, I got sunshine in a bag, I'm useless.
You are useless.
Nah, because you're just fucking walking around on the phone. This can be done today. Body shop gonna complete all work today. Oh, look, there he is. Look, he's smiling now. Look, he's happy.
Give us a rap.
Yam, you can spit bars, innit? You know, Yam used to be a rapper in Tamworth, you know?
Lying.
Tamworth rapper.
Really?
Yeah, he used to rap bare ass and sell them. Richie, don't you just love doing this?
Oh, like, honestly, like...
Is this like your favourite thing in the world to do? Are you so excited to fix my car? It's going to break when I get down the road.
Yeah, I'm not, the only reason I'm excited to fixing it is because I know he ain't going to break it driving it to the body shop.
Energy levels are correct today. There's no police headlocking me or threatening to CS gas me for no reason.
Anyway, what a madness.
And you seen the video?
What a madness.
That Fed was a proper dickhead, wasn't he?
Fell end.
There's just no need, innit?
You know what it reminded me of? Remember when I bought the E63 and we got T-packed in the S3 saloon? We driving cam. And he's like, I said, there's old Bill there. He's like, no, yeah. Another one. 5 minutes time, we just fucking guns out of the junction in Birmingham.
Guns.
Yeah, bro, for nothing. They're like, oh,
My S3.
You know what happened? The funniest story, somebody plated a motor up to the motor. Okay. That's why I do it at this end, because we don't adjust none of these.
Right, should leave that?
Oh, yeah, I'm leaving it.
Yeah, see, good lad.
More phone calls than spanners in here.
That's all we've got left, look.
So when you ain't looking at it,
When you ain't looking, we're just going to throw all them in the cupboard. Yo, so what you saying? She's running, but she's got a few faults. Oh, she's got a few faults. Richie, she's got a few faults.
She's got a few faults, mate.
Them two still work.
Good motor.
Oh no, it cannot be activated. Richard's been messing with my steering wheel. He's brought my car back on 0 miles.
What, has it come back to 0?
What do you mean? He was on 0 when he got dropped off. What, you think I've been cruising it?
Oh, the fuel. I thought you meant the mileage.
It weren't on 0. Oh, we got a few faults.
They're gonna...
We got a few faults. We'll drive it round the car park now and see if it shuts off. Is it going to shut off?
I don't think so.
It might shut off.
Go on. No good.
Running out of petrol.
What?
It's running out of petrol.
Yeah.
The engine light's just come on.
That's because it's running out of petrol in this
But
world.
rear axle differential lock restricted.
That don't sound healthy, does it?
So yo, what you saying then? The X3M. Look, she's back.
Man can't do it like DRIVADAVE. See blue lights, still blow that chase. X3M got stupid brake. Big whip, wake up the whole estate. Real wheel drive is spinning it mad. Giving out gases, dinner in man. Do it on road or spin it on tracks. Man can't do it like us, that's cap.
You get me? She's looking fucking good as well. Look, yo, Taha sprayed it all back up. Obviously, last time you seen it, it was in a proper mesh, yeah. Trackworks fixed the diff. You get me? I took it to wrench. They've made the tune a bit tidier, so now it's a bit less stressful on the 4-wheel drive system. You get me? So like, yo, we're back, and obviously, as you know, this one's got switchable diff. This is the rear-wheel drive killer. You know what I'm saying? And you haven't seen it for a while, but you're due to see it real soon. Obviously, we're going to go to the run this weekend. We're going to hold it on. You know what I'm saying? A couple of little tweaks I need to do to this car to get it fully ready for summer. But yo, trust me, I'm going to be out in the deep end in this one. I just got to get my wheels refurbed. Got to get a proper polish and detail on it. You know what I'm saying? And it's back. But yeah, man. All the cars are running. You get me? Just got one more. Got to get the X-Class back on Wednesday, my towing rig. And like, yo, everything's singing. We're in here, we're active.
Man can't do it like DRIVADAVE. See Cebu lights, it'll blow that chase. X3M got stupid brake. Big whip, wake up the whole estate. Real wheel drive is spinning it mad. Giving out gases, dinner it man. Do it on road or spin it on tracks. Man can't do it like us, that's cap.
Hold on a second time.